Here's the Dennis. You want a sandwich?
It's actually nice out here.
Oh, yeah.
I tried to pull it off the weight.
Yeah. Yep. Start winding. You can't stand in front of me, bud. Is he still on?
Oh yeah.
Shaker.
This little one. Come on, this guy. Seal, come take it.
Go, guys.
That's the little one.
I wonder what bear will be rugged and rugged. Yeah.
What?
I could fish.
Dennis, too short.
That's not for fish.
You there? No, we lost him.
How?
It's all good. Don't bring her up any. I feel better all back home.
Oh, there, right there.
Here, come on. Here.
Yell it. Make sure you're out of the clip. I don't think you're in the clip.
There it is.
Clip.
Give it into your gut.
Oh,
We're off.
popped off already.
We're off.
Yep.
Just like that.
Goes quick here. Some days.
Chicken. Keep him because we're allowed.
A lot of times as soon as you go by, you get off the fish.
Mine. Take it.
Get going. He's on it. Just start winding. Don't put the hook.
Come on,
Nope, he's already gone. Took too long. Wow. Took too long. That's good.
Okay.
Goes quick.
Oh, it does.
Yeah. As soon as it pops out of the clip, don't set the hook. Just wind.
Look at bro. Look at bro.
I'm near the knife.
Look at bro. Don't touch the knife. Smile, Roland. Smile. Poopy pants.
Hurry. Just start winding. There you go, boys.
Come on, there, Roland, it's yours. Come on, get in here. In your belly. There it is. There's your first fish.
Try to pull him your way if you can, Dennis, a little bit.
Roll.
Keep winding. Don't
Keep on
stop.
winding, don't stop.
Only lift up.
There we go. There's your first fish.
First fish. Oh, it's a good size one.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
That's it. Cool.
Oh, you got cool.
That's nice.
That's your first fish.
Keep on, it's right here. Ian. You gotta let some line. I can't handle the weight. You just smack me in the face. Sorry. Perfect.
As soon as I sit my ass down. Lost it.
A fish,
You
a
get to it in time. The second I turned my back, huh? Oh yeah. Keep my eye on it.
Oh, there's a fish. They're reeling.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Here we go. Yeah, just keep on reeling. Don't stop. You lose them? Nope.
It's hard.
Keep going. I'm going.
Keep on.
You're fine.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Look straight up, Dennis.
That's a nice
Well,
one.
you got a bigger one.
Oh, you got the bigger one.
Yeah.
That's a coho. Yeah.
Yeah.
That looks like a salmon.
That's a coho.
That's a nice one.
There's only a jiggle, too. Type of salmon. Just like there's different types of dogs.
What's it doing?
No. That's for that time. Look, Dennis. Is he on there? Not sure. Oh, yeah. Come on, here. Come on, Nolan. Here, let me in this way, guys. Okay. Yeah, bring the rod that way if you can, brother.
The bigger.
Come on, Roland. You gotta pull the rod that way, guys. I can't do anything from here. There you go.
Ah,
There's a fish here. Fish there. Can you get this one, Lyndon? Oh, God. I couldn't wind fast enough. Double hit. Dennis.
Oh, boy. One. Right over there. One, just one.
Yeah.
Listen.
Still there?
One. Come back.
No. He's already gone.
Go ahead.
I hit hammer and ran away. We're gonna bring it in and bring it up anymore. I'm just trying to tighten the nut. Here, Brooke. If it wants to run, let it go. If you feel it pulling really hard, just let your hand off and behind your. Got a big one. Just watch where we're going to, Dennis. Yeah. You're whining, don't slow down. Rod up.
I'm gonna grab the bunker for you.
There you go. You gotta pull him this way.
Woo.
Oh, yeah.
I have the bunker for Brooke.
There we go. Just not whining, Dennis. Don't set him up. If he wants to run, let it run. Brooke, can you, after you're just straight, I don't want to turn anywhere. Let me get in here, Dennis. Here, let me get Booker. There we go.
There we are. So that size of that one.
Oh, that's a big one.
Fishy, fishy, fishy.
Yeah, need fishy, 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 right? Oh, there's a big fish. Hey, you gotta stay here. Look at this.
Here, Brooke, come try. It's a good one. Put it right in your, in your,
And you got
just try not to let the line touch the rods and stuff and you'll be okay.
it over here. There's a big fish. Right there. Right through here.
Hard one, Brooke?
Oh, yeah.
There's one on this one too, I think. Start.
Oh yeah, that's a big one. It's taking some line. Doesn't want to come up right away. You lose them. These on my rod. I'm going to claim them. Oh, yeah.
Maybe go that way, Dennis, with it.
Yeah.
Want some slack?
It's a halibut.
Look at the size of that one.
Okay, guys, stand back, stand back.
Take all the pictures you want.
Take all the pictures. Fast.
Ready, set. 1, 2.
Okay. Dennis.
Yeah.
Just throw a line here.
Start winding.
Be sure to get it out. Lost it. Holy man. Catch and release.
Yeah.
Go. It looks bigger when it's younger.
It just gives you a perspective of size.
And then look.
Okay, wait.
Come on, Dennis. Throw a line.
Wind.
Let him run if you have to run. Just make sure we don't hit anything, Brooke.
Get it into the belly.
You want to steer to the right just a bit? Just a bit.
Good one. Real. Real. Yep, real.
Lift him up with it.
Dude, that's a nice
That's a
one.
big one.
Holy!
There's a big one for rolling.
Woo!
Yeah.
You might have a small fish on it. What's that? The other one does.
Oh, there we go.
I don't know who's next.
Okay.
No, it's me that goes for it.
Some,
Roland just grabbed in that last one. Hey, you're too slow, Lyndon.
somebody's got to help me here because I need the net.
Okay. Oh, help.
Okay, you-
I got him.
Hold the rod.
I got him.
it.
I got him. Oh, real. There, you got it. You landed it.
Woo, that's a nice one. That's probably a pig. Yep,
That's
that's
a
good.
coho.
That's another coho.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, look.
And then that's a halibut. I have to reel mine in.
Reel it in. I don't think there's anything there again. Nope.
Oh.
Lost it again.
Look at it. He's on.
Here, go.
Still on. He's pulling that way, right?
Oh, okay.
You gotta move over.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, lost him there.
I lost him there. I hooked in the net. You pulled up too soon.
There he's got him.
I'm going.
Hurry up. Get it in your belly. Get that in your belly.
Going back.
Oh, don't worry about it. Just reel. I think you lost him.
No, I think it's still in the downrigger, that's why.
Oh.
Yeah, he's still hooked up. You still got him. There you go, you're free. Come on,
Real fast.
just turn left a bit, Brooke.
I got something.
There we go. Sit.
I got it. I got it.
Nothing. Came off.
What's there?
I can see it, sir.
I'll go get it.
Okay, don't worry about it.
You literally put my limit there, girl.
Yeah.
Watch your head.
Oh.
I haven't looked even. Oh, he's fishing this one.
Oh.
Hey, turn the wheel. It's real.
Somebody's gonna have to fight a fish here.
Here, I got it.
No, bro. Don't take away from the telephone.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
There's the double header.
Over here.
There's almost a double header.
Yeah. Oh, it's a fighter. Keep on rolling. Oh, it's a bigger one. Keep on rolling. Pull it.
Yay!
Oh,
That's a big one.
there you go. Oh, that's a enough. Here, let's go.
How are you almost on the
Good job, Brooke.
Thank you.
Just out there. I don't know how far out, probably just past the mountains down there. Over the water.
Open water's right behind, right there.
Oh, there's open water.
Like right where we were anchored, if we would have looked, if
That's a hit. We've seen that one.
Rolling.
not sure. Oh yeah, here.
Good help him.
Hold right here. Hold here. Don't let go of the rod.
That's it.
Look up. There you go. Woo!
Another nice one.
Put it there. Hold here. Upper hand here. Got her?
Yep. You want really?
Oh, we lost her.
You lost it.